Hey, it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Miri and I will be showing you 10 super cute and easy nail art designs that are perfect for Valentine's Day. You're watching the ultimate guide to Valentine's Day nail art. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our awesome upcoming videos. And now, on to all the designs. As always, start off with a base coat to, say it with me, protect your natural nails. We'll be using a lot of pinks and reds here today, which can stain your nails without a good base coat beneath them. The first design is this chic arrow print that reminds me of Cupid's arrows. The first step is to use a creamy white polish. Once that's dried, go ahead and dip a small paintbrush into fuchsia polish. To draw the arrow, just draw one line horizontally across the nail, and then add 3 little diagonal lines coming off of it on each side. Then add the arrowhead. This design looks really cute if you add a second arrow beneath the first one in the opposite direction. Try using a different color such as a hot pink nail polish for this one. Number 2. A super easy and pretty polka dot pattern with a heart. Begin this design by painting your nail with your favorite pink polish. Then use a small dotting tool or a toothpick to create the polka dots over your nail. Make sure to line up the dots neatly for best results. Oh, and also let us know down in the comments which of these 10 designs that we're doing here today is your favorite. To create the heart in the corner of the nail, just add 2 dots next to each other for the top of the heart, and then connect them to a point on the bottom using a small brush or with the dotting tool. A super cute and easy design. Moving on, the next design is a really pretty rose print. Begin this design by painting your nail with a light peach polish. Then add in the roses by using a big dotting tool and a red polish. You can do 4 to 6 roses depending on the size of your nail. Easily add detail to your roses by adding 3 swipes of a paintbrush with dark red polish to the outside of the roses. Then add 1 more swipe in the middle of the rose. This design would look really cute as an accent nail. Finish it off by adding some little little leaves between the roses with a bright green nail polish. All done! Up next is a cute LOVE design. Start off with a white nail polish as your base color. Then, using a pink polish, add in the letters L and E like so. Make sure to keep both hands rested on the table to help with any shaking in your hands while you do this. Then fill in the letters O and V using a red polish. The last step is to add a dotted line on the side of the nail, alternating between pink and red dots. Number 5. A hot pink dotacure. Easy to do, but looks intricate. Begin with a hot pink nail polish. Once that's dry, use a toothpick or a dotting tool to create the dots. Begin by adding 7 dots like this. Then connect these white dots with 2 small dark pink dots. And you're all done! Moving on to the other hand, we have a studded heart design. Begin with a red nail polish. Next, you will need some small, round, golden studs. To apply the studs, you can either use clear nail polish like this, or you could use nail glue for an even stronger hold. Pick up the studs with a toothpick dipped in a little clear polish, or with a wax pencil. Then just create the outline of a heart over your nail. Really simple, but super cool. Number 7. A fun and easy stripe design. Begin with a white base. To easily create the stripes, we're going to be using striping tape. A list of all the products we're using here today will be in the description box below. Begin by placing 1 strip horizontally across your nail. Then add in some strips coming down vertically from it. Next, fill in the top portion by your cuticle with more horizontal strips. Next, paint over the vertical strips with a fuchsia nail polish and immediately remove the striping tape. Then repeat the same steps for the horizontal stripes using a hot pink nail polish. The final step is to clean up any lines that need to be perfected using a small paintbrush dipped into nail polish remover. Up next is a cute Valentine's Day French tip. Begin by painting your nails with a cream white nail polish. To create the French tip, you can use a piece of masking tape once the cream white base is completely dried. Next, we're going to use this shimmery coral polish for the tip. Go ahead and remove the masking tape while the polish is still wet. To make the colorful French tip a little more Valentine's-y, you can add in some red hearts on the horizontal line. Again, to do this, just use a dotting tool and a small paintbrush. You can add 2 to 4 hearts depending on how wide your nails are. All done! Number 9 is a cute confetti design that's probably the easiest and quickest to do. Begin with a candy pink nail polish for the base. Then use a dotting tool to add in some fuchsia dots over the top half of the nail. Then add in some red dots too. Finally, add in some smaller white dots, with the ones closest to the tip of the nail being the smallest for a slight gradient effect. The last design is a pretty floral tip. Begin with a sheer pink nail polish all over the nail. Once that's dry, add in some tiny flowers using a small paintbrush and a hot pink polish. To do this, dot the tip of the brush 5 times in a circle to create the petals. You can also use a toothpick or a dotting tool for this. Then add in some red flowers using the same technique. Finally, finish the flowers by adding metallic gold centers. All done! Finish off your new Valentine's Day manicure using a fast-drying top coat. This will seal in your designs and add a beautiful shine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Also, if you'd like to check out even more Valentine's Day nail art designs, click the info card in the top right corner of your screen. Make sure to go and check out Miri's personal channel by clicking the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time!